Welcome to BHP Media House Data Science Journey, an introduction for beginners presented by Tokir Ahmed. What is data? Data is information that can help us understand situation and make decision. For example, business, customer information, student marks, YouTube view, and engagement. What is data science? Data science is the process of collecting, cleaning, analyzing, and interpreting data to discover useful insights. Why is data important? Data help individual and organization understand pattern, identify trends, solve problem, make informed decision, predict possible future. A simple business example. Imagine you own a business and have a year of sale data. Question: which product sell the most? Which month has the highest sale? And which are the most valuable customer? Can future sales for be predict? That are important. What does a data scientist do? Collect data, clean data, analyze data, visualize result, build model and predictions. Data science process: collect, clean, analyze, visualize, model, insight. Each step transform our information into meaningful knowledge. Where is data science used? Business and marketing, banking and finance, healthcare, e-commerce, social media, education, technology and artificial intelligence. Skills required for data science: basic mathematics, statistics, Microsoft Excel, SQL, Python, data analysis, data visualization, and machine learning. Machine learning allow computer to learn pattern from historical data. For example, sale prediction, fraud detection, customer recommendation, classification and forecasting. A roadmap for beginners: step 1, Excel basics, statistics, SQL, Python, data analysis, data visualization and machine learning. Practice and project. Real learning happens through practice. Work with real data sets, solve practical problem, build project, create a portfolio, keep learning consistently. My data science journey. I am also learning and developing my knowledge in data science. Through BHP Media House, I want to start the journey through learning videos, practice example, exercise, data sets, real world project. Join the journey, like, subscribe, share, comment. Why do you want to learn data science? BHP Media House presented by Tokir Ahmed. Thank you.